Hi everyone, this is Bharti and welcome to day 4 of the 21-day pranayam challenge. Today we are going to introduce Bhastrika pranayam to our practice. So once you are ready, let's gently hop onto the mat and get going. Let us start by coming into an easy cross-legged sitting position. Ground your sit bones into your mat. Straighten the spine and roll the shoulders back. Bring the hands in chin mudra on the knees and gently close your eyes. Let's start observing our natural flow of breath. Observing the cool air entering the nostrils and coming out through the nostrils. Let us start today's practice by repeating the following affirmation 3 times in our mind. Everything that I need is already within me. Let's repeat this 3 times in our mind. We'll start the practice with an Om chant. Take a deep breath in. And gently open your eyes. We are going to start today's practice with deep yogic breathing. So you can keep your hands either on your knees or bring one hand on the abdomen and one on the chest. And let's start with 5 rounds of deep yogic breathing. Take a deep breath in and feel your belly expanding out, followed by the chest and the shoulders going up a bit. As you exhale, the shoulders fall down, the chest softens and the belly goes in. Inhale deeply, expanding the belly, followed by the chest and the collarbones. Exhale completely, the collarbones soften, followed by the chest and the belly. 3 more rounds. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Last round. Inhale deeply, expanding the belly, followed by the chest and collarbones. Exhale gently, softening the collarbones, chest and the belly. Bring the hands down and take a couple of normal breaths. Next, we are going to do Kapalbhati pranayam followed by Bhastrika pranayam. Both these pranayams should be avoided if you have any heart issues or high BP or hypertension issues, or you have any abdominal ailments like gastric ulcers or any recent surgeries. In Kapalbhati, as you already know, the focus is on active exhalation. We are going to do 3 rounds of 30 pumps each, moving slightly faster than yesterday. So let's start. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and out. And let's start. And relax. Try to keep your face muscles completely relaxed while you are doing this. Let's take a couple of normal breaths before starting round 2. Let's start. Take a deep breath in and out. And relax. And let's start the 3rd round. Take a deep breath in and out. And relax. Next, we are going to do Bhastrika Pranayam, or the bellows breath. This pranayam is great for igniting the inner fire and for deep oxygenation of the body. So in Bhastrika, both the inhalation and the exhalation are active. Every time we inhale, the belly expands out, and every time we exhale, the belly goes in. We are going to start slow, so we are going to do 3 rounds of 5 pumps each. So let's start. Take a deep breath in and out. And relax. Let's start the 2nd round. Take a deep breath in and out. And and relax. And let's start the third round. Inhale and exhale. And relax. Next, we are going to do Anulom Vilom Pranayam. Today, again, we are going to do 1:1 ratio, but add another count to our inhalations and exhalations to make them 6 count long. So let's start. Bring the right hand in Vishnu Mudra and close the right nostril with the right thumb. Take a deep breath in and out through the left nostril. And let's start. Inhale left, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale right, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale right, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale left, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale left, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale right, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale right, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale left, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep going on. Last round. Slowly exhale from the left side and bring the right hand down and take a couple of normal breaths. We are going to end the practice with 3 rounds of Bhramari Pranayam. So bring both the hands on either sides of the ears. Close the flaps of the ears with the thumbs and gently close your eyes, placing the fingers over the eyelids. Take a deep breath in. Gently bring the hands down, keeping the eyes closed. We are going to end the practice with 3 Om chants. Take a deep breath in. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Slowly bring your hands to your heart center and let's start rubbing the palms to create heat in the palms. Gently bring the palms over your eyelids and feel the healing heat of the palms through the eyelids. Slowly bring the hands down and open your eyes. Hope you enjoyed today's practice. I'll see you tomorrow. Till then, take care and bye-bye.